Just Buggin.
Hey guys, how are y'all? So here we are. We got a 67 Volkswagen turned into a dune buggy. Not just any dune buggy, splash. Check this out. Okay, so I brought it over to Just Buggin because I was getting smoke out of the car. And I said, fix it. The other thing I've got is the transmission humming in reverse. I said, kind of synchros in third and fourth just aren't what they ought to be. Don't care what you do, fix it. And what'd they do? They fixed it. So here it is. So we now have complete rebuilt motor, different motor, refreshed transmission. We got all kinds of stuff that they did to it, brakes, you name it, they've done it. I said, I don't want to see it back till you guys are done with it. And guess what? Today is the day. Today it's done. So Fred, me, is going to drive it home. So here it is. Dalton, please show him the car. Got a new bad boy steering wheel. Yeah, clean it up, shine it up, give me a car I can drive. Now that is a dune buggy you can drive. Hold on a minute, listen to it. Cranks right up, lots of flash. Yeah, here you go guys. Thumbs up, Just Buggin. bugging. It's the best. Just bugging does it again.
You have fun?
Oh,
Yeah.
come on. This was
You like it? Runs great?
real.
You like it now?
I love it.
And it's just great now.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you, Dalton.
Yeah, I
You're
think
welcome.
you'll do good.
All right.
Like it?
Thank you. Chad, you were wonderful.
Right on,
Thank you.
It put us through hell, but we made it.
Did it?
No, it's just because of the bypass. What? I don't understand it. Both of them were internal bypasses, but
I
different
know.
symptoms. You lost
We could
rear
have
brake.
swipped the tires a little bit there.
No, these will
I'm just kidding.
annoy the hell
Oh, yeah.
out of you.
All right, man. I got to get going.
All right.
All right.
Sounds good. Hey guys, it's Dalton.
G-Man?
I mean, that's a sweet dune buggy when you say.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun to drive.
Yeah, and me and Fred went out and filmed that video that you guys saw to present the vehicle for sale so he can put it up on, you know, Marketplace and everything. But before we even got a chance to put out this video, it sold
As usual.
to a lovely couple that actually are purchasing it just for Buggies on the Beach and, of course, many other VW shows.
yeah.
But it is
Fred's
a
shopping
sweet
for
ride.
another one.
Yeah, he'll get
We
another
went and
dune
looked
buggy.
at one yesterday, it just didn't turn out to be what the guy said it was. So
But hey, I think you guys will definitely enjoy it, and we hope to see you guys at many different car shows, and keep on bugging out there with Splash.
we'll look forward to Splash at Buggies on the Beach.
Yeah.
Apparently it's going to be there.
Yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a
Keep
Just
on
Buggin' every
bugging.
day. Yeah, hey man, what are we doing today?
Hey, guys. Just Buggin has just finished my dune buggy, man.
Nice.
Awesome. Running like dude.
Stay tuned for the video. Also, I gotta say, check out the link in the description for Avenue Performance LLC. They make some great steering wheels. We met them at the Volksfest VW event, and they're just great people. So definitely go check out their steering wheels. Links are down in the description. Also, Jim, the new owner of the 1978 Champagne Edition 2, won second place at a car show a couple weeks back. He was also featured in the Dune Buggies and Hot VDUBs magazine. One of the photographers spotted him and took a picture of him. Congratulations on second place and getting in the Hot VDUBs magazine. Have a great day.